It's Sir Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready to read again? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Alright, so our lesson for today will be the letter B. The sound of letter B is B. B. So this is the mommy letter B and this is the baby letter B. So magbasa tayo ng mga words in English and Tagalog words na may mga letter B. Okay? Alright, so kung ang sound ni letter B is B, tapos may katabi siyang letter A, ano ba sa dyan? So that will be B. One more time. B, B, A, ba. Isa pa nga. Ba. Good job. Alright, so dagdagan pa natin ng isang letter. Kung ito ay ba, tapos meron netong r sa dulo, ano ba sa dyan? Good job. Yes, that will be b, b, bear. One more time. Bear. How about this word? Oh, papalitan mo lang yung nasa dulo. So, ito ay magiging bat. One more time. Bat. Perfect. This one. Yes, papalitan mo lang uli yung nasa dulo. So, yan ay magiging ban. One more time. Ban. And this one. Yes, that will be bag. One more time. Bag. And how about this word? Alright, so that will be barn. One more time. Barn. Good job. How about palitan ko tong dulo at ito ang ilagay ni Teacher Ivy? Paano yan basahin? So same lang din, basta magsa-sound ka lang. So that will be bark. One more time. Bark. Perfect. And this one. Good job. Yes, that is back. One more time. Back. Isa pa nga. Back. Perfect. So how about this one? Nasa dulo na sa letter B. Same lang din. Basta magsasound ka lang lagi. So, ano nga ulit pag pinagsama tong dalawa na to? Yes, that will be ta. And then, what is the sound of B? B. So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be tab. One more time. Tab. Perfect. How about palitan to ni Teacher Ivy? And then, ito ang ilagay. Sige, paano natin babasahin yan? Same lang din. Ano sound neto? Perfect, yes. That will be k. And pag pinagsama silang dalawa, that will be ka. And then sound ni B, b. So that will be cab. Cab. Perfect. Alright, so how about this one? Pinalitan ni Teacher Ivy ng letter L. So that will be la. And then very good. Yes, that will be lab. Lab. So, since alam mo na yung mga word in English na may letter B, now magbasa naman tayo ng mga Tagalog words na may letter B. So, again, this is the mommy letter B and this is the baby letter B. So, before we go ahead and proceed, reviewin muna natin what will be the sound pag silang dalawang pinagsama. Very good. So that will be b, a, ba. One more time. Ba. Alright, so let's go ahead and proceed reading in Tagalog words, okay? Let's start with this word. So kung ang sound neto ay ba, uulitin mo lang uli. Ba. One more time. Ba, ba. Good job. Alright, so how about this word? Yes, that will be ba and then ra. So, ang basa dyan ay bara. Good job. And this one, Basa. One more time. Basa. Very good. This one. Bala. One more time. Bala. Bala. Good job. And this one. Sige nga, tingnan natin kung kaya nyo na siyang basahin mag-isa. Perfect. So, that will be ba-ka. One more time. Ba-ka. Good job. Kasi diba ang sound neto, k. Tapos, pag pinagsama silang dalawa, ka. So, that will be baka. Very good. How about this word? Perfect. So, yeah, that will be bata. One more time. Bata. So, that is bata. Very good. How about this? What is the sound of this again? Ga. So, pag samasamahin lang lahat ng sound, that will be baga. One more time. Baga. Perfect. This one. Ano nga uli ang sound neto? Yes, humihinga ka lang. So, itong dalawa, pag pinagsama, ha. So, pagsamahin natin, ba-ha. One more time. Ba-ha. Good job. O, nasa hulihan naman si ba. Huwag ma-confuse. Basta magsa-sound ka lang. Ano sound neto? Perfect. So, yeah, that is sa, ba. One more time. Sa, ba. This one. La, ba. Perfect. Isa pa. La, ba. This one. Good job. Yes, that will be ka, ba. Isa pa nga. Ka, ba. And this one, that will be. One more time. Perfect. Yes, magaling ka na talaga bumasa. So, that will be ha. And then, ba. Haba. Perfect. Congratulations! You already know how to read. I'm so proud of you. So, until next video, okay? Bye for now.